In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up the incident responder from scratch, connecting Slack, configuring your control plane, and watching it diagnose a real alert in real time. Start by creating a dedicated Slack channel for your incident alerts. This is where all updates from your control plane will surface. Name it Testing Incident Channel and hit Create. Next, head to api.slack.com and go to your apps. Create a new app from scratch, give it a name, select your workspace, and click Create. Inside your app settings, go to Incoming Webhooks, toggle it on, and add a new webhook. Select Testing Incident Channel you just created. You'll see a webhook URL generated. Copy and save this for later. Now go to OAuth and permissions and add the following bot token scopes: app mentions read, channels history, channels join, chat write, files read, files write, IM history, reactions read, reactions write, and users read. Once all scopes are added, reinstall the app to apply the changes. Next, go to event subscriptions and enable events. In the request URL field, paste your control plane domain followed by webhooks/slack/events. Once it shows as verified, scroll down to subscribe to bot events and add app mention and message.channels. Save your changes and reinstall the app once more. Finally, go to interactivity and shortcuts, turn it on, and paste the same control plane URL. This enables the action buttons like Acknowledge and Resolve to function directly inside Slack. Save and reinstall. Now switch over to your Facets control plane. Go to Settings, then Channels, and create a new channel. Set the type to Slack, paste in your webhook URL, and hit Create. Next, head to Subscriptions and create a new one. Set the notification type based on your requirement. It can be set to Alert, Application Deployment Complete, etc. based on your use case. Select your project, choose Slack as the channel type, and pick Testing-Incident-Channel. Hit Create Subscription. You can test it right here. You should see a test notification pop up in Slack immediately, confirming the connection is live. Now head to the Facets Intelligence page, then set up your Facets integration. Paste your control plane URL, enter your username, and generate a personal access token from your profile settings. Paste the token and connect. With both integrations linked, configure the responder and click on Set up Incident Responder to launch the configuration wizard. First, connect your Slack integration, paste in your bot token from OAuth and permissions, and your signing secret from basic information. Hit Connect. Select your Slack integration, choose Testing Incident Channel, set the infrastructure scope to broad to capture all alert types, and give your workspace a name. Confirm to finish the setup. Finally, back in Slack, open Testing-Incident-Channel, go to Add Apps, and invite the bot you just created. Now let's see it in action. I'll trigger a critical alert message in the channel and watch what happens. The investigation kicks off immediately. Over on the Facets dashboard, the incident is now open and actively being analyzed. Within moments, the responder surfaces a full root cause analysis, affected components, key findings, and actionable recommendations right inside Slack. Click View Full Investigation to walk through the complete diagnostic chain. Once reviewed, you can acknowledge or resolve the incident directly from the Slack message. No context switching, no manual triage required. That's the full setup, from a blank workspace to a fully automated incident responder. Real-time detection, AI-powered diagnosis, and one-click resolution, all without leaving your workspace. Try integrating with your workspace today.